Hi everybody, ready to make another letter today? You should have your dotted line paper, you should have your pencil, and you should be holding it correctly with your pointer finger and your thumb, and your other fingers resting beside. Sitting up straight, ready to do a fun letter that I know you all know how to make, but we want to make sure that we're making it correctly. So the lowercase o starts with a hook around. And so remember, our hook around starts right below the dotted line. So not on the dotted line, right below it. And we do a hook around down to the bottom. And for the O, we're going to come back up and close it. So we come back up to where we started and we close it. We call it a hook around close. So watch me again. Hook around, close. Hook around, close. And I'm making it very carefully because I want to make sure that I come all the way to the bottom. I don't go past the bottom line. My O should sit on the bottom line. So it should be touching that bottom line. Hook around, close. Hook around, close. Hook around, close. And my O does not go past the dotted line. It's not a big capital O. It is lowercase, so it should be small. So go ahead and hit the pause button and carefully make some O's just like mine, going the whole way across your page. Okay, so you should have been able to make a lot of letter O's going across your page because it's not a very big letter, so you should have been able to make many of them. So let's try an O pattern. So my next line, I'm going to do an O, another O, and another O. 3 O's in a row, then I'm going to do a finger space. And I'm going to do 3 more. Hook around, close, hook around, close, hook around, close. And then I'm going to keep that pattern going. Hit the pause button and try making the 3-O pattern going across your page. All right, now that you've made all of your O's, let's take a look at them carefully. Do they look like mine? Maybe they look better than mine. Are all of your O's closed? We shouldn't have any O's that are still open. So if any of them are still open, you need to take your pencil and go back and close them. And are your O's all sitting on the bottom line like they're supposed to? Because if they're floating up in the air, we do not want that. And do your O's start and stop at the middle? They should not go past that middle dotted line. Maybe you can come up with your own O pattern using some other letters. And you might want to try that now. Here is a pattern that we can make using another letter. Let's do an O. So hook around, close. And then in the last lesson, we did the S, which was a small hook around, then a snake around. Then we'll pick up our pencil and we'll do it again. Hook around, close, hook around, snake around. We'll do an OS pattern. Hook around, close, hook around, snake around. Go ahead and pause the video and try the OS pattern carefully. When you're all finished, take a look at your work. How'd you do today? Hopefully you are focusing on being slow and careful, not fast and messy. We want to make sure we're making the letters correctly. Nice job today. Next time we'll do a review of all of the letters. See you next time.